All right, so the great thing about Fusion, although we're capturing in spherical or 360 video, I might not want to share that. You know, it's kind of cumbersome to share a 360 video. So we created what we call overcapture, and it's built right into the GoPro app. So once you've downloaded your content from the Fusion to the GoPro app, you go into your local media. Now I'm in my local media. I can press play and I can watch this video play in full spherical, and as you can see, I can manipulate and look around anywhere in space. But now, if I want to share this with somebody, I tap the overcapture button, I start recording, and I can pan and tilt my phone or use the same swipe feature. When I get what I want, I press stop, and now I've got a traditional 16:9 video that's full HD 1080p that I can download to my phone and share it to any platform that I want.